You just sent your friend $600 on Venmo for rent. Seems normal, right? But now, the IRS is watching you. Imagine you're just a regular person trying to make ends meet. You sell old clothes on Facebook Marketplace. You take cash for dog walking, or split bills with friends on PayPal and Zelle. Nothing crazy, just life. But suddenly, your tax return gets flagged. You're told you forgot to report income, but you didn't even know you were being watched. Here's what they didn't tell you. As of 2024, the IRS now requires apps like PayPal, Venmo, and Zelle to report any payments over $600 automatically. That's right, just one $601 payment from a client or a single sale on Etsy, and boom, you're on a government report. No warning, no consent, no choice. And even if it wasn't income, the burden is on you to prove it. Otherwise, you could owe taxes on money that wasn't even profit. Think about it. Side hustles, Facebook Marketplace, freelance gigs, splitting vacation costs, all of it is now being tracked. This all started with a rule buried in the American Rescue Plan Act. At first, platforms had to report only if you made over $20,000 and had 200 transactions. But now, just one $600 transaction triggers it. And it's not just the US. In Canada, tax authorities are following suit, ramping up digital surveillance. Even personal transfers can look suspicious. You pay your roommate back for a group vacation. You get paid cash for tutoring or lawn mowing. Unless you can prove it's not business income, it gets reported. And here's the kicker. You may not get a notification. The IRS gets it behind the scenes, and you'll only find out when you're audited. Meet Marcus. He was laid off during the pandemic and started flipping sneakers online. He made around $2,500 across a few apps. Nothing major. But the platform sent 1099-K forms straight to the IRS. Marcus thought he was under the radar. But a few months later, he was slapped with a $900 tax bill and penalties, all because no one told him his hustle money was now taxable income. This isn't about evading taxes. This is about transparency and knowing you're being watched. If you're freelancing, side hustling, or even just paying friends, you must document everything. Keep receipts, use notes in payment descriptions, separate business and personal accounts. Because in 2025, the apps don't work for you anymore. They report to the government by default. Comment below if you've ever been surprised by a tax form you didn't expect. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real talk that affects your wallet. Because what you don't know can cost you.